Hello, welcome back to AyaansMath. Today we are seeing one logical question of Olympiad question. Solve x belongs to real numbers. The question is square root of 2 into 2 plus root of 4 minus x square is equal to x into 1 minus square root of 4 minus x square. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Now how to solve this problem? So here the question is given, square root is given. We know that 4 minus x square is always greater than or equal to 0 for every x belongs to real numbers. That implies minus 2 less than or x less than or equal to 2 will get. The value of x will be between minus 2 and 2. Now squaring on both sides, the given equation you are doing squaring on both sides. So 2 into 2 plus root of 4 minus x square is equal to x square into 1 minus root of 4 minus x square whole square. Now here we are doing some adjustment. X square can be written as 4 minus root of 4 minus x square whole square. So here 4 get cancelled. You will get again x square. So in the place of x square I am going to write this value. So here 2 bracket 2 plus root of 4 minus x square is equal to 2 plus root of 4 minus x square. This we are writing it as 2 plus root of 4 minus x square into 2 minus root of 4 minus x square. So here 2 minus root of 4 minus x square bracket 1 minus root of 4 minus x square whole square. So in the place of x square you have written these two values. Now here you can take common 2 plus root of 4 minus x square is common. Here also we are having this value LHS. Here also it is there in RHS. Let it be 0. Here already we know that 4 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Then 2 plus root of 4 minus x square is greater than 0. So for every real number there is no solution. The value we are getting more than 2. Now we'll go to the second one. So what is left in the second one? 2 into 2 is equal to 2 minus root of 4 minus x square into 1 minus root of 4 minus x square whole square. So here let us take first one no solution. Let us take 1 minus root of 4 minus x square is equal to t. So the equation will become 2 is equal to 1 minus t into t square. Now if you solve this, you will get t cube. Here you will get minus t cube plus t square minus t equal to 0. So here you will get 1 plus t. So t cube plus t square minus 2 equal to 0. Now if you write the factors, t minus 1 into t square plus 2t plus 2 equal to 0. Now here from this you can write t value 1 or here b square minus 4ac is negative. Delta is less than 0. The roots are complex. So we are not going to take these values. Roots are complex. T is equal to 1 I am taking. What is the t value? 1 is equal to 1 minus root of 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square equal to 0. X square is equal to 4. X equal to plus or minus 4. That is nothing but plus or minus 2. So here only we are taking positive values. So x is only one value, that is 2. I hope this information is valuable for you. If you think so, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends.